Today I will show you how to enable non-resizable in multi-window on Android 16. This allows apps that don't normally support split screen to run in multi-window mode. To do this, go to Settings, then tap on About Phone. Scroll to the bottom of the screen and tap on Build Number 7 times. Unlock your phone if prompted. This will enable developer options. Now go back, then tap on System. Scroll to the bottom and tap on Developer Options. Use the search bar and type multi-window. Then tap on Enable Non-resizable in multi-window. You can now enable this feature. All done. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below the video.